pass away. I cannot escape death, but at least I can escape the fear of it. Death, therefore, the most awful of evils, is nothing to us, seeing that when we are, death is not come, and when death is come, we are not. This is what it means to have rehearsed the lessons one